In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create a very simple dashboard using the Node-RED dashboard nodes. Now, what I'm going to do is we're going to end up developing this, which is a responsive dashboard, which resizes nicely based on the width of the groups that we have. But before we go any further, if you haven't got any dashboard nodes, and this is not for the people who are using the factory in a box, you will have that. But if all of these dashboard nodes are missing, and there's no dashboard down here, quickly just go to Manage Palette from the hamburger menu. And for me, of course, I've got these Node-RED dashboards installed. But if not there, click on Install, and here you type Dashboard. And the second one here, Node-RED dashboard, which is installed, will say Install, and you click it, and off you go. So that's some basic housekeeping to start off with to make sure you've got your dashboard nodes. The second thing I want to draw your attention to is this resource here, the Node-RED Programming Guide. I would suggest that if you're struggling with Node-RED or getting started with Node-RED, that you start here with this noderedguide.com and go through the tutorials.